Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Average Test of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 138 is: consider the following statement about the issue of separate electorate during early decades of 20th century in India as a means to secure adequate representation for the deprived social categories in the absence of universal adult franchisee. 1. The All India Depressed Classes Association of M.C. Raja was staunchly in the favor of joint electorate. 2. The All India Depressed Classes Leaders Conference demanded separate electorate. 3. The Communal Award in September 1932 recognized the right to separate electorate for the untouchables. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So all are correct. Answer is option D 1, 2 and 3, and the explanation is first is about MC Raja. Explanation is: the All India Depressed Classes Association, founded by M.C. Raja, initially favored a joint electoral system. This meant that the depressed classes would vote alongside other groups in the general electorate rather than having a separate electoral dis- district. So, this is the first statement. The All India Depressed Classes Association of M.C. Raja was staunchly in favor of joint electorate. That is correct. Second statement is uh, about second statement. Before the Round Table Conference of 1930-31, Ambedkar emerged as the major leader of the depressed classes and demanded constitutional safeguards for the depressed classes. In the All India Depressed Classes Leaders Conference at Bombay in 1931, he demanded separate electorate for untouchables. So that statement is also correct. The All India Depressed Classes Leaders Conference demanded separate electorate. So that is also correct. And third one, explanation is: the Communal Award was announced in September 1932 by British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. It granted separate electorate to various religious and communities in India, including the Dalits, then known as depressed classes. This decision was controversial, with viewing it as detrimental to Hindu community and fearing it would further divide Hindu society. To counter the communal award and address the concerns of depressed classes, the Pune Pact was signed in September 1932. The Pune Pact allocated reserved seats in provincial legislative assembly for depressed classes, a provision that deviated from the communal award. So answer is B, all are correct, and third statement is also true. The communal award in September 1932 recognized the right to separate electorate for untouchables. So answer is option B, 1, 2 and 3.